Dear viewers and followers, welcome back to the training lessons for the Ameen Accounting and Inventory program. In this video, we'll continue discussing the features added to Ameen ERP version 10, and we'll explain the Workspaces feature, which allows you to save different ways to view program reports. I will provide examples of the Bills Details Movement report because there are many benefits to this report. It is found under the Items menu, then Movement Reports, and Bills Details Movement. Note the options that were saved previously and explained in a previous video. After reviewing the report, you will notice the report's default fields and the program's default dimensions. You can manually change the dimensions or select the best fit. You can also click on the Home tab, then the Fields menu, to add fields to the report or remove fields from the report. You can also rearrange the columns. After modifying all the necessary dimensions, adding and removing fields or rearranging columns, you can save these choices to save time later by clicking the available Save icon. When you request the report again, you will notice the default option, which, after previewing, will display the same options you previously selected. A very important option in the reports is the Group panel. When activated, this feature allows the report to be grouped according to a specific column by dragging it to the designated location. Then observe how the report and fields were grouped according to the specified column. You can undo this by clicking on Ungroup. After grouping, you can expand the data according to each grouped field individually. Or click on Expand All. A feature added to Ameen 10 ERP is that you can save the report in more than one format by clicking the arrow next to the Save icon and then selecting Save As. Then name the workspace, the desired report format, with the name you need. Now, when requesting the report again, you will see two workspaces. The first is the default one that was saved previously, and the second is named as it was given. Grouping can also be done on another field, such as the item name, and then saving the workspace with a new name as we did previously. Grouping can also be done by date in the same way. The difference is that the grouping method can be changed when grouping by date by clicking the Group Interval button. You can also save this workspace to the saved workspaces for this report. As another workspace, the cost and profit fields can be displayed in the report, and this workspace can also be saved among the saved workspaces. The workspace feature can also be used in all program reports. As another example, I will create a workspace and save it to the customer balances report. I will then remove and add fields to the report and save this workspace. Note that when you click the Save button, the open workspace will be modified or saved as the default workspace if no workspace exists previously. As another example, I will save a workspace on the inventory report. You can manage saved workspaces for a report by clicking on the File menu and then Workspaces. Then, the Manage section, where you will find all your saved workspaces. By clicking on Manage, you can rename or delete the workspace. Or these workspaces can even be exported by a user, to be imported into another user instead of being recreated. To import it by another user or even another file, you must access the same location, select Import, and then specify the workspaces that were previously exported. Of course, here you will see details of the exported workspaces, and any conflicts with existing workspaces will be displayed. In our case, all workspaces are present, but I can replace them to resolve these conflicts. Also, from here, you can specify and change the workspace in which you want the report to appear. Workspaces can also be shared via email, text message, or even WhatsApp, provided these options are enabled with the program. We will explain how to integrate them with the program later. Finally, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Share it with your friends so everyone can benefit.